So today we're back at LTMW and it's arguably one of the more exciting days besides, the final delivery day. The guys here just told us that they have finally assembled the entire kit and it's all test fitted and all the panels are on the car. So it'll be my first look and I'm extremely excited. So why don't we go inside and take a quick look, guys. Dude, mind blown. I'm kind of speechless right now. This thing looks so crazy. What in the world? Oh yeah, they really cut it. No going back now, buddy. Man, just taking in all the little details. This is insane. I can't believe we're doing this. And just wait till you guys see the color and the end result when everything is finalized, because it is gonna be amazing. Wow. So as you guys can see, look how much wider these panels are compared to a stock 997. Almost a foot. I'd say at least a solid 10 inches in the rear. Up front, maybe, 6 inches, but it's crazy. Obviously it looks a little funky with these stock wheels, but we've got a nice set coming. So to give it that final RWB look, but man, exceeding my expectations, and I wouldn't even say it's halfway done. So stay tuned for the rest, guys. This is gonna be a wild ride.